am exactly where you think I am. I am in the home of the LA Galaxy, and the reason I'm here is because Apple was kind enough to invite us and show us the first game ever shot on iPhone. There are a ton of iPhone 17 Pro Maxes set all around the stadium. The team is here. I'm Jaime Rivera. This is crazy exciting. For those of you that were wondering why I praise iPhone so much when it comes to the video capabilities, this is the reason why, but let me tell you more about how this is about to get done. Perfect timing, just a couple of weeks before the World Cup. Let's do this. But all right, the usual disclaimers. Apple provided parking for the event, provided tickets. They are not at all paying for this video. They're watching it at the same time as you do. I thought it was an amazing opportunity. We cover what technology can do, but it's hard to see it in the real world beyond what consumers do. This is a completely different ballgame, pun intended.
Oh, what's up? God. Hello, buddy. What's up? Look at you. What? You gotta represent with the Galaxy.
Also, for a little bit of extra context, this is my first ever vlog shot fully on iPhone. This is an iPhone 17 Pro Max, and I'm currently using the Blackmagic camera app. It's currently filming on OpenGate. I'm using Apple Log H.265. It looks great on the screen. I can't wait to see how things look on the editing bay.
I'm Keith Costigan. I'll be the play-by-play analyst on the game tonight. This is Mo Adu. Today is the first of a kind. We've never had a professional live sporting event shot solely on iPhone 17 Pro Maxes. We came in today. We were kind of like kids Christmas morning. We're like, what's it going to look like? How's it going to be? We know some of the cameramen. We saw them set up. So it's wild, and we kind of felt the magnitude of it when we saw the setup and how much was going into that today, of what a major moment and what an honor it is to be part of such a major moment.
It's still kind of surreal, the fact that the iPhone has the quality and the capabilities to be able to broadcast a live game. You know, you're going to be able to get like some different perspectives as well because of like looking at this camera here. So you can get some of the fan shots and see the benches during the game, which gives you a different kind of close-up glimpse and perspective. So here we are at this moment that I would have never imagined. I was kind of still like, wait, what? What's happening? So getting a chance to be here and take it all in, I'm excited. I'm excited to obviously be a part of history, but then I'm excited to go back home and actually watch the game back and see it from the fans' perspective as well.
Yeah, there's 15 iPhone 17 Pro Maxes here. They are off-the-shelf devices that you can buy that we're recording all of these on right now that I'm looking at you guys. USB-C out into HDMI. That gets the fiber back to the truck. Traditional broadcast method all the way through. From camera, from iPhone to truck, there's no lag.
So it's pretty much the same story if you were using a regular camera.
Yeah, it's exactly the exact same workflow. We've tested it with these guys countless times, and it's the exact same workflow. Once it gets to the truck, we then take it from there, send it to a facility to put graphics on, goes to Apple to encode. So that's where we produce 1,000 games a year. So it's actually, this is streamlined so many things by doing this with iPhones. And the lenses we have, it's a swap out, right? There's a ton of infrastructure here already that we're able to take advantage of.
Yeah, and you can see from the lenses, the iPhones that we have that are native lenses, the quality that they're going to be able to produce just as good as a traditional broadcast camera. We have 6 native lens cameras in the stadium tonight, and you won't be able to tell the difference between the native lens cameras and the cameras with the zoom lenses on them. All of our broadcasts are in native 1080/60, so it's the same standard thing. We're able to do it with the iPhone 17 Pro Max just as we would with anything else.
All right, so we're inside the production unit right now. This is, if you think about it, this is like the cockpit of the airplane. So all the technology that Apple's placed everywhere around the stadium, all those cameras, all of them are being fed back in here to the truck. And in here, you've got your producer and your director and your technical director and your audio people and your people who are helping kind of integrate all the replays and everything. And so what they're doing is they're taking all those camera signals and they're assembling the show. So everything's going to get cut here, all the cameras. They're going to make all the editorial decisions, all the replays, all the camera shading, where they're correcting the colors on the cameras as you would any broadcast camera. All going to happen here in the truck. And then what we'll do is we will send it from here to our production facility in Stamford, Connecticut, and we will insert graphics and we will ship it off to Apple from there. It goes out to 100 countries worldwide. The cameras that we have out there right now are as high quality cameras as you can get, everything natively captured 1080p. And so all of that technology is going to work the exact same way as it would if we had all the cameras we normally have out here. So there's no quality loss, there's no signal loss, anything. It's all happening the exact same way.
Live in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand by.
We are live.
30 seconds. We are live. We are live.
Está by all professional. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cue.
Good evening from Dignity Health Sports Park in Carson, California, where tonight Apple TV presents an historic broadcast, the first major professional live sporting event captured entirely on iPhone 17 Pro Max.
All right, we have merch. And I don't think it's just any kind of merch. Let's go check it out as the game has just begun.
Nos dijeron jersey, pero vamos a ver. Uy, papá. 6.
Buenísimo.
Tremendo, tremendo. Ahora sí, a ponérnoslo y a ganar. Vamos a ver.
Yo, look at that. Wow, 26.
That's nice.
I like this a lot. David Lum, what did you think?
I think it's a testament to the iPhone 17 Pro Max. It speaks a lot to, I don't know, our networking capabilities, that we can just plug a phone at the end of a huge lens, pipe that footage all the way out there, and then get it back to viewers with no real change to what they expect from a broadcast. And viewers don't notice the difference. That's probably the best recommendation you can have about an iPhone 17 Pro Max, right? It shoots a professional level game. That's pretty fun.
Mo, what do you think?
Man, I love it. You know, when you think about it, I mean, we're part of this history. And when they're making history, Apple now broadcasting with their phones, with the phone you're filming right now. I mean, they can do that today. Then what are the limits now for phones, right? We have taken care of the line between phone and camera, but now it's a professional camera. They're broadcasting this live. And then, I don't know if anyone wants to check it, just go to Apple TV and judge yourselves. But, I mean, for what we've seen, it's crazy and it's great.
The game is good, the seats are good, the teacher's great, but what the fans are screaming every time a goal is missed, that is golden. Oh well, that was it. 1-1. It was a good game. It was a great experience. And actually, I'm coming back to watch the LA Galaxy. The fandom here is insane. People are having a great time. A lot of people have already left, as people usually do to avoid traffic. But my God, this stadium is awesome. The experience was fabulous. So that was it for the experience here in pretty much the final game of the LA Galaxy before the World Cup begins. The experience from seeing what iPhones can do, obviously I can't wait to see the final footage, to just the LA Galaxy, just the fandom here. Everything has been fantastic. I honestly can't wait to come back. Anyways, let me know what you thought about everything in the comments below. And while you're at it, please like, subscribe, and join the conversation in the comments. As you know, I try to respond to as much as I can. Also, follow me on social media, as you'll see more behind-the-scenes work continue to happen there. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.